Okay, close your eyes for a second. Just imagine. You're in a Moroccan market. Sun's kind of peeking through these like super vibrant fabrics.
Mm-hmm.
And the air, it's like a wave of spices hitting you.
Yeah.
And all around you hear these vendors, calling out, selling their stuff.
It's an experience.
It really is. And wouldn't it be amazing if you could like actually talk to them, not just be a tourist?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, like throwing a little Darija, that's Moroccan Arabic.
That's what we're going to dive into today, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And lucky for us, the Minty Podcast, they've got some phrases that are going to help us like really experience Morocco.
They really focused on this concept of hadak.
Hadak.
Yeah, it's like this generosity and deep respect. It seems like it's everywhere in Morocco.
Okay, so it's more than just being polite.
Way more. Like, the Minty Podcast told this story about a shopkeeper who, like, went all out for a customer, even though he lost money on the deal.
Really?
Yeah. It wasn't about the money. It was about the connection, That's hadak.
So even if I don't, like, become fluent, just understanding hadak would change my whole trip.
Completely. You go from outsider to someone who gets it,
I like that. Okay, so let's say I'm in that market, right?
Uh-huh.
And I see this rug. Gotta have it. What do I say?
Well, you're not just going to point and pay.
Oh, right.
Mm-hmm.
Haggling.
It's an art.
And the Minty Podcast gave us the perfect line. Shea shella hadak.
How much is that?
But it's more than just getting a good price.
Oh, yeah. It's
right.
Playful. You joke with the vendor. You connect.
Like a little dance.
Exactly. And, this haggling thing, it goes way back. Morocco was a huge trading hub. Being a good talker was just as important as the goods themselves.
Okay, so fast forward. I've got my souvenirs. Now I'm starving. So, like, tagine.
Of course, tagine.
Couscous. The works.
Ah, and mint tea.
Yes. Before I dig in, what's the toast?
You could say basata.
Basata? Okay.
They both mean like cheers or enjoy.
I love how like warm those words feel.
Right. That's that hospitality again.
Okay, so I know Moroccans are super welcoming. What's a phrase that captures that whole like no worries vibe?
Mouchkil.
Mouchkil.
Okay, literally no problem. You'll hear it everywhere.
Like even if things go wrong, it's cool.
Yeah, it's that easygoing spirit. We'll figure it out.
That's a good philosophy.
There's another one, labas.
Labas.
Like imagine someone spills their tea. Instead of freaking out, they just say laba. No worries.
Don't sweat it.
Exactly. Moroccans, they find joy even when things are unexpected.
I like that. Maybe we could all use a little laba in our lives.
Definitely.
I'm really getting into this whole Moroccan mindset.
Right.
The warmth, the labas.
Yeah.
But now I kind of want to test it out.
Yeah.
See if I've learned anything.
Well, the Minty Podcast had this phrase.
Oh, yeah. They totally left us hanging with that Fayn ghadi.
No, such a tease.
So listeners, want to solve a mystery with us?
Yeah.
Fayn ghadi. What could it mean?
They even gave us some multiple choice.
Okay, lay it on me.
Option A, where are you going?
Interesting.
Option B, what's your name?
Okay, getting trickier.
And C, are you hungry?
Ooh, that's a good one. Everyone pause it, think about it. No cheating.
Even without knowing the answer, we can use what we've learned, right?
True. Like, how does Moroccan culture play into this?
That hospitality, that makan mouchkil.
It's like, those are our clues.
Exactly.
I love how they made it a game.
Me too. It makes you think differently.
Even if we're wrong, just thinking about it is good, right?
Totally. It's like how to approach any problem,
Be flexible.
Yeah.
You know what's funny? We don't even know what Fayn ghadi means, but I still feel like we accomplished something.
That's the labas.
Even if we don't have the answer right now, it's all part of the fun.
Exactly. And who knows what else the Minty Podcast has for us.
Wow, this whole deep dive, It's way more than just learning some words.
I know, right? It's like we got a little taste of Morocco.
And the Minty Podcast, they're so good at that.
They really are.
Like, you learn the phrases, but you also get the feeling behind them.
That's what makes it special.
Like, you're not just speaking.
Right.
You're connected.
It's just you're speaking to the culture itself.
Yeah, exactly. And even if we never actually go to Morocco, the stuff we learned today, we can use it anywhere.
Oh, absolutely.
Like that hawk idea, being generous, respectful.
It makes you think about how we treat each other.
Yeah, like how can we be more hawk every day?
And don't forget, kayn mouchkil.
Oh, that's a good one.
Just remembering that, it can change your whole outlook.
No problem. It's almost like a superpower, right?
It really is. It's like language can change how we see the world.
Speaking of which, any guesses on Fayn ghadi?
Still a mystery.
Well, we tried.
But even trying was good, you know?
It was. It reminded me to be curious.
Yeah, to be open to new things.
And that's what it's all about, isn't it?
It really is. Finding new ways to see things.
So to everyone listening,
Keep exploring.
yeah, keep learning.
You never know what you'll find.
Until next time, son.